Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise the chapter Air, Water and Weather. Air, water and weather are essential for the survival of all living beings. These are natural resources. In today's video, we will talk about one necessary element of life. Yes, it is air. Air is all around us. Although we can't see it, but we can feel it. Do you know what is air made up of? Air is a mixture of gases. So what are gases present in the air? Let us see the composition of air. What is the composition of air? Air contains gases like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. The three types of gases, mainly the three types of gases present in the air: nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Of these gases, nitrogen is the largest amount. You can see here the amount of nitrogen is approximately 79%, 20% of oxygen. The carbon dioxide is even less than 1%, although the presence of carbon dioxide is very less, but it is very important for the living world as plants use it for making their food. Additionally, there are some small particles like dust, water vapor floating in the air. So we can say that the main composition of air is it contains different types of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. It contains water vapor. Water vapor means moisture, nami, and it also contains smoke and dust particles. Now we all know that air is so important for us. So let us something more about air. The properties of air. The properties of air. First and main important property of air is everywhere. We all know that air is everywhere. Air is colorless and transparent. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Okay, so it is present everywhere. For the second property of air, we will do an activity. So let us start. You can see in this picture we have made a scale. For that, take two inflated balloons, stick and thread to tie the balloon. Now, tie the inflated balloons at each ends of the stick. What do you observe? You will observe that the both balloons are balanced on the stick. Now, pick a pin one of the balloon in white balloon. Okay. So, what you will observe? You will see that the stick end with the inflated balloons goes down. स्टिक का inflated balloons की साइड वाला पोर्शन थोड़ा नीचे झुक जाएगा. It tilt towards the inflated balloons. So why it is? What is inside the inflated balloons? Yes, it is air. When we pick the balloon, air release out of this and air is still inside the inflated balloons, black balloon. So it is heavier than white balloon. This activity proves that air has weight. Okay, it is clear to you that air has weight. Now come up to the next point. Air occupies space. You can see in this picture the boy is blowing air inside the balloon and the size of balloon is increasing. जैसे जैसे वो balloon के अंदर हवा feel कर रहे हैं, balloon का size बढ़ता जा रहा है. So this activity proves that air occupies space. अगर air को space की जरूरत नहीं होती तो balloon as it is रहता, but the size of balloon is increasing. It proves that air occupies space. Now come up to the next point. Air exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure. For you, you can see when you suck a drink through a straw, liquid flows. Why? Because of air pressure. Air exerts pressure. That is why liquid flows through straw. Okay, so it proves that air exerts pressure. Now, next is air compressible. Compressible means सिकुड़ जाती है, दब जाती है. So, for that, you can do an activity at your home. Try to do this. Take an inflated balloon and press it from the outside with both hands. You will see the balloon visibly shrinking in size. This proves that air is compressible. That air can be compressed. अब क्या करेंगे? Take a balloon, blow it and press it from the outside. बाहर की साइड से उसे प्रेस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. you will see the balloon visibly shrinking in size. अपने साइज में थोड़ा सा shrink हो रहा है, सिकुड़ रहा है. It proves that air can be compressed. Okay, so it is clear to you the properties of air. Air is everywhere. Air has weight. Air occupies space. Air exerts pressure, and air is compressible. दबाई जा सकती है. Now come to the next topic. The last and the most important topic is importance of air. What is the importance of air? So let us see the importance of air. Why air is important? So for that, we all know all living things need air to breathe. Plants, animals, human beings, we all need air to breathe. So air is very important for the survival of all living beings. Air is important for producing food by plants. Plants produce their food in the presence of sunlight, and they use carbon dioxide from the air. And do you know that the nitrogen is very important for the growth of plant? Yes, and nitrogen is present in the air. So we can say that air is important for plants as well as human beings. Okay, we all human beings like cow, dog, buffalo, we breathe in air. And do you know which organ we use for breathing? Human beings use their nose and lungs for breathing. Fishes use their gills. Fishes use their gills for breathing, and plants use stomata. Do you know what is stomata? Let me see you what is stomata. Tiny holes present in the surface of leaf. ये leaf है, and there are some tiny holes like this present on the surface of leaf. These tiny holes are known as stomata, and these take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Okay, so plants breathe through their stomata. In daytime, plants take in oxygen, carbon dioxide, and give out oxygen, as well as in night, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, do you know that air is also important for burning? Yes, oxygen is important for burning. We all know that, and oxygen is present in air, so that air is also important for the burning. So, dear students, today's our topic has completed. We studied about composition of air, what is air, properties of air, and importance of air. Please see the video and ready for the next class. In next class we will study about water. Okay, thank you.